back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the I'm Legit by Nicki Minaj Tik Tok trend, which is really cool. I really love this trend. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started with the first move. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our right hand on our left shoulder and slide it to our right shoulder. Then we're going to rub our hands twice, just like that. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. And then our right hand is looking to the left, and then our shoulder goes back. And then our hand goes up. And then we're going to do this move. So to do this move, what we have to do is we have to put our right leg in front of us, and then we just have to twist it while our right hand goes down. Just like that. So let's do it from the beginning slow, and we'll move on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So after this, we're going to pretend we have a basketball here, and we're just going like this. 1. So we're just going to throw the basketball, and our left arm is just in front of us like this, bent. And then after that, our right arm goes towards our left shoulder, and then this part of our arm is in the same place. And with the other part of our arm, we're going to do the circle. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. And then we're going to do like this wave. So basically to do the wave, we're going to start with our right knee. And then we're just going to straighten it, and we're going to go up. Just like that. So 1. And with our hands, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wave. So after the wave, we're going to do a really small jump. It doesn't have to be a big jump or anything, just a small one. And we're going to put our hands to our sides, and we're going to tilt and then tilt again. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then our hands go like this, so our right hand goes to our left shoulder, and then our left hand goes over here. And then we're going to just switch, just like that. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. And then with our hands, we're going to grab our shirt or our hoodie, whatever we have on, and we're going to pull it forward a little bit. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. And then what we're going to do, they say, yes, yes, I am ill. So basically, when we say yes, yes, we're just going to go do thumbs up with our hands. So 1, 2. And then for the next part, our right hand is in a fist, and it goes down and then towards our mouth. Just like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for the last part, everyone does it differently, but here's how I do it. I just roll my arms, and then I go like this. And that's it. So basically, they say I'm going for the kill. So basically, at the beginning, they do whatever with their hands, and then they go like this, or like this, or like this. I don't know, however you want. And that's it. That's the whole dance. So we're going to do it from the beginning twice. First, we're going to go slow, then fast. So first, let's go slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Basketball. 1, 2, 3. Jump and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, and 1. And now we're gonna go fast. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 2. Throw. 1, 2. Wave. Jump and 2. Yes, yes, and cough and 2. That's it. That's the whole dance. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye!